and welcome to my Dubrovnik vlog. I arrived into Croatia from Montenegro, had the weirdest time at customs, which I might talk about in another video, stay tuned. I went straight to my hostel before going out and exploring the city. Enjoy the footage. Welcome to my first full day in Dubrovnik. It's actually quite late in the day. Okay, so you can barely hear anything I say in this vlog, so let me sum it up. I spent the day in Dubrovnik. The morning I spent making friends in my hostel, and me and a group of gals, actually all sisters, we went to the beach. I got very sunburned. It was so hot. And then I left them to sunbathe and took my very, very pale skin to town and looked around some churches and museums instead. I then went back and had a really chilled out evening in the hostel, did lots of skincare and stuff like that just to really rest the backing body, and started again the next day. As well. So yeah, I really like it here. I am in my last day in Dubrovnik. This is Mary and Sana from Finland. We were in our hostel together and we're just spending the day at Bellevue Beach before we go to Mostar, I've forgotten. This is our view. My mum will be very glad to know that we are just hiding out in the shade under these rocky cliffs. These guys are going to go for a swim and I'm gonna, who knows, have a chill. How late is our bus?
1.5 hours, actually 1 hour 40 minutes. I'm doing some nail polish because I don't know, we got like a few hours, maybe more.
I bloody well hope not.